Hey everybody, welcome back to Idea Empire, your go-to spot for business ideas and financial freedom. What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, you could also be earning money without doing anything? Yep, it's real. Today, we're diving into top 20 passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real ideas that work. Let's get started. Number 20. License your photos. Good with a camera? Upload your shots to stock image platforms. You'll earn every time someone uses your photo. Number 19. Self-publish an ebook. Write a short, helpful guide or a compelling story and publish it digitally. Each sale brings in royalties, over and over. Number 18. Rent out storage space. Have an empty garage, shed, or spare room. Rent it out as storage and collect monthly income with minimal effort. Number 17. Sell background music or loops. Music producers can upload beats or ambient tracks where creators license them for videos, podcasts, or games. Number 16. ATM ownership. Purchase an ATM. Place it in a busy location and earn a fee every time someone withdraws cash. Number 15. Interest from high-yield savings or CDs. Not flashy, but rock solid. Let your money earn passive interest with little to no risk. Number 14. Build a niche blog. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about. Use ads or affiliate links, and let organic traffic bring in revenue. Number 13. Vending machines. Place snack or drink machines in gyms, schools, or offices. Keep them stocked and watch the passive income roll in. Number 12. Real estate investment trusts. Invest in real estate without owning property. These funds pay dividends regularly, no landlord duties required. Number 11. Mobile app development. Create a simple tool or entertainment app. Monetize with ads or offer premium features. Number 10. Buy and flip domain names. Grab clever or trending domain names, hold on to them, then resell for a potential profit. Number 9. Dividend stocks. Own shares in companies that pay regular dividends. It's a classic form of passive income that scales. Number 8. Print-on-demand business design t-shirts, mugs, or planners. When someone orders, the platform prints and ships, while you collect profits. Number 7. Digital tools and templates. Build digital items like planners, calculators, or checklists. Upload once, sell endlessly. Number 6. License a course idea. Got an amazing course concept but don't want to teach? License the idea to others and earn a percentage. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals online and receive payments with interest over time. Number 4. Publish an audiobook. Convert your writing into audio and sell it through audiobook platforms. You'll earn per download or listen. Number 3. Rent out equipment. Own a drone, power tools, or a camera? List them locally for rent and let your gear make money for you. Number 2. Cashback and rewards apps. Use reward-based apps that pay you a percentage back for everyday purchases. Automate and earn passively. Number 1. Build a paid online directory. Create a niche directory. Think local service providers or hobby-based communities. Charge for listings or featured placements. There you have it. 20 ways to earn money in your sleep. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. And don't forget to watch the video on 7 creative ideas to make money from home if you haven't already. It's full of ideas and action steps to build your income from scratch. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications. More game-changing ideas are on the way. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.